Regaining trust, a step towards healing relationships. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to explore a vital concept in relationships, regaining trust. Trust is the foundation of all relationships, and sometimes it needs repair. So, let's embark on this journey of understanding together. Trust is a belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. It's about feeling secure and confident that the other person will act with integrity and kindness. But what happens when this trust is broken? That's what we're here to find out. To regain trust means to restore someone's belief in your integrity or reliability after it has been damaged. It's not just about saying, sorry. It's a process that involves consistent, honest behavior and patience. We'll talk about the steps and behaviors that can help rebuild this important aspect of a relationship. Rebuilding trust doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that includes 1. Acknowledging the breach of trust. You must recognize and accept that trust has been broken. 2. Apologizing sincerely. A heartfelt apology shows you understand the gravity of the situation. 3. Making amends. Take actions that demonstrate your commitment to change. 4. Consistency. Be reliable in your actions. Show the person that you've learned and are willing to maintain their trust. 5. Patience. Give the other person time to heal and decide if they can trust you again. Effective communication plays a significant role in regaining trust. It's about being open, honest, and transparent with your feelings and intentions. We'll go into detail about how to communicate effectively during this delicate time. We hope this video has shed light on the intricate process of regaining trust. Remember, it's a path that requires compassion, commitment, and time. Thank you for watching, and may your efforts to rebuild trust lead to stronger, more resilient relationships. Stay tuned for more insights into the art of communication and relationship building.